you got this in an hour without having to wet your hair. Super easy, super simple, and I just love how wavy hair is just so magical. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my dry wavy hair routine using sock curls. The sock curls part is just 30 minutes. The entire thing is about an hour long, and you only need mousse and hairspray. So let's get to it. So we're going to do 4 sock curls. So I'm going to section out my hair like around the temple and clip this out of the way, and we're gonna start with this section right here. I washed my hair last night and I let it air dry, and I only apply leave-in conditioner, which is a very important thing to do. I'm using this mousse right here. I'm gonna be tagging all of the products in this video and also link them in my Amazon storefront. You can find my Amazon storefront in my bio. So I do about 2 pumps of mousse per section, and the cool thing about this is basically like the mousse will dampen the hair, but not that much that you're gonna need a lot of time for your hair to dry again. So it's amazing. So we're gonna do 1 more. And the reason why I kind of like developed this idea is because it was just so cold in the winter, and I was just tired. I didn't want to wash my hair and do the whole thing with my hair wet and being like, because you can't really put a hoodie on when you're, waiting for your hair to dry. So I was just like, I need to find a different way to do my wavy hair without wet hair. And here we are. So for the sock curls, I'm going to show you right now, but for this section, you can bite off this part, not the opening part, but the opposite side. You bite it off, you bite it off, you bite it, hang on to it. And then you're going to curl around the sock. And then you're gonna grab the ends on the inside part of this, and then you're gonna flip this. You're gonna see right now, like, don't worry about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's do this. Also, you don't want any gaps when you're like curling it. Okay, and we got the first section. So at the end, I like to apply a little bit more mousse when I'm already wrapping it, and put more at the ends, because I think the ends, they stay dry for some reason. So I just add a little bit more on the ends because that will be helpful to keep the shape. I'm gonna apply more. Now we're gonna do the next section. Same thing. And for this part, you obviously can't grab it with your mouth, so you'll have to use a clip. So just clip it here at the top, and let's do this. Also, make sure that the hair is smoothing out before you start. And here, like there might be like a gap. I don't really care that much on this part. It's mostly on the bottom that I care. Okay, so you grab the ends, and then you put your hand inside the sock, you grab the ends, you unclip the top part, you grab the top part, and you just put it all on in a little cocoon. All right, let's do the next section. Again, same thing, 2 pumps of mousse. And this is so easy. I just love making my life easier and warmer. And now the last part, and this is so quick and easy. Okay, for this last section, I'm gonna just clip the sock right here so I don't disturb this one, and make sure it's smoothing out. Ta-da! Okay, so now I'm gonna let it cook for 30 minutes and then I'll be back. I'm gonna do my makeup in the meantime. Okay, I'm not done doing my makeup, but it's been 30 minutes, so time to take this off. And of course you can wait longer. The whole point, at least for me, for this routine is that I make it convenient and easy. Like I don't like the feeling of having this socks on for too long, to be honest. Now the second part is to apply some heavy duty, I think this is heavy duty, honestly, it feels like it is, but a heavy duty hairspray. So I'm gonna hairspray all of the sections so they keep their shape a bit longer. So now I'm gonna wait another 30 minutes and I'll come back to brush it out with my fingers and show you the final results. I don't know if you can hear that I'm cooking something, but this is gonna be really, really fast. So it's been 30 minutes. Again, you can wait longer if you want to, but the whole point is to make this as fast as possible with the best results. So yeah, now it's time to scrunch it out like you normally would with a wavy hair routine. So we're gonna scrunch it out. Actually, let me turn that off because I think it's ready. And you just keep fluffing them until everything gets like unraveled. And the only section that I would brush out is the top parts, like right here and the back, but not all the way down, just the top section, because you separated the hair halfway here, so sometimes the hair can be left in two halves. So just to mesh everything, I would just brush it out a little bit here in the back. But do use your fingers to brush it out. And as a final touch, some hairspray. Also, the only thing about using mousse is that you might use too much mousse and you might get, I don't know if you can see it in camera, like you can see a little bit of white and crustiness in here. I don't know if you can tell, but if you can't tell, that's even better. But if you can't tell, it's because I apply a little bit too much mousse. So obviously, maybe use a little bit less because that can happen. But other than that, once you're done with all the fluffing and the brushing out with your hands, just apply a little bit of hairspray to lock everything and smooth out anything that needs to be smoothened out. And here is the final result. Let me know if you guys liked it, if you're gonna give it a try, and if this video was helpful for you. And now I'm gonna go eat my food, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Super easy, super simple, and I just love how wavy hair is just so magical.